While the CookieCon event is a fully packed experience, many attendees want to make the most of their trip and learn as much as they can. Those wishing to enjoy more learning opportunities can also purchase add-on workshops, which take place during the 2 days leading up to the official kickoff of CookieCon. These are immersive, hands-on classes featuring direct interaction with world-class instructors. They will guide you step by step to complete amazing cookie projects. Most add-on workshops are 4-hour, half-day classes. A few instructors offer longer, full-day classes. For each event, add-on workshop registration opens to attendees 1 week after CookieCon tickets go on sale. Workshops are also available to the general public, beginning 2 weeks after CookieCon ticket sales. Not only will you take home your completed projects, you'll also have new knowledge and skills in your tool belt to apply to future cookie creations. It's a great opportunity to learn from an impressive variety of instructors in one location. Visit our website to learn more and see the upcoming class offerings.